Are you ready to elevate your streaming game? Let's dive into how to buy IPTV Smarters Pro and access thousands of channels. First, head over to the 2TV store, the best IPTV provider. You'll find their link in the description below. Start by selecting your subscription plan. For just €45, you can enjoy 35,000 channels in HD and 4K for a full year. After that, proceed to checkout and create your account. Remember to use a strong password for security. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email with your login details. Next, download the IPTV Smarters Pro app from your device's app store. It's available for smart TVs, Fire Sticks, and even iOS devices through in-app purchases. Open the app, sign in with the credentials you received, and you will start seeing your channels.
Yeah, came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presents on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping, country boy.
If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to their 24/7 customer support for assistance. They're incredibly helpful. Finally, enjoy the vast library of shows, movies, and sports events. With IPTV Smarters Pro, your entertainment options are endless. Remember, for the best IPTV experience, choose the 2TV store. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more details.